How to search for items easily on Amazon. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. First thing first, move into your application Amazon or move into official website on any of the web browser. Once you're in the official site, log in into your specific account. Once logged in, it will land you on this page. Once you're in this page, at the top left corner, you'll see the option which says category. Click on it. It will land you on this page. You will be able to see all the categories of the items that you want. From here, you can check out any of the items that you want. Let me move into sports and fitness for now. There you go, all the sports and fitness items will be available to you in this page. If not, you can also search it in the search bar. Click on Search Amazon in. Now search for the specific item that you want to buy. And then click on it. All the items that you have searched for will be available to you. From here, you can purchase any one. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.